Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is going to be from the huge insurance company Allstate. They are hiring an administrative assistant. This is 100% remote, a work from home. This is for my United States folks only. It does not look like they have any state restrictions. But real quickly, before we get into it, I just want to ask that if you can leave a comment down below and let me know if anybody is interested in more administrative type positions, administrative assistants, executive assistants, that type of thing. Sometimes I post these job leads and they don't do very well. I don't want to keep giving them to you if it's not what you're looking for. So please comment down below and let me know. And as always, if you are interested in applying to this position, the application page is in the YouTube description box below this video. But of course, as an administrative assistant does, Allstate is looking for somebody to be responsible for supporting the department with their day-to-day administrative tasks. Some of the things you'll be doing is creating, formatting, typing, editing, proofreading, and finalizing reports and presentations. You'll also proactively take responsibility for calendar management by maintaining appointment schedules. You'll open, sort, review, and organize incoming and outgoing correspondence. You'll draft and compose routine correspondence like emails from verbal direction from your bosses. You'll work on a variety of different projects and maintain communication. You will also be screening, filtering, and prioritizing the communications that come in. So even though a lot of this is non-phone work, there are going to be times when you have to pick up the phone and talk to people. You'll also be prioritizing communications through mail and email. You'll prepare and schedule activities for executives such as travel arrangements and business meetings. Of course, they are looking for somebody who does have a bachelor degree or equivalent experience, 5 or more years of some kind of related experience, so some kind of clerical office work administrative duties. They want somebody, of course, who can use Microsoft Office, that is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, all of those things. Someone who has great written and verbal communication skills, can work well under pressure, and has the ability to influence and persuade people. Now, if that is you, they are paying anywhere between $42,500 a year for this job, all the way up to $78,875. Now, of course, pay is always going to be dependent on location and experience, but I would negotiate that salary. They do have it budgeted to pay up to $78,000 a year. Now, one thing to note, it does say you're going to have to go through a background check, which includes passing a drug screen. All right, again, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.